Here we practice English in an open and friendly environment. The teaching system is outstanding and very helpful for students. Sometimes our practice session become ridiculously funny and full of joy. So learning English here is simply supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Assalamu alaikum, my beloved and respected audience. I feel truly honored and grateful to have the opportunity to speak to you today. I sincerely thank you for giving your valuable time and attention. This is Muhammad Raihan Kabir in front of you. I'm from Dinajpur. Today, I'm over the moon, alhamdulillah. Right now, I'm a first month student of English therapy, which is a 3-month residential English learning institute. I'm currently a first month student, but within just 5 to 6 days, I have already learned many new things. Before joining English therapy, I had several fears like agoraphobia, the fear of going into public place, etiquette, the fear of failure, glossophobia, the fear of speaking in front of people, and even hippopotamonstrosesquipedalophobia, the fear of long and difficult words. These fears used to stop me from expressing myself in English, but English therapy is helping me face my fears step by step. Here English is taught in a very simple, practical and friendly way. The environment is supportive and it really helps to build confidence. From my personal experience, I can truly say that English therapy is one of the best platforms to learn English. So, welcome to English therapy, a truly magnificent place to learn English. Here we practice English in an open and friendly environment. The teaching system is outstanding and very helpful for students. Sometimes our practice session become ridiculously funny and full of joy. So learning English here is simply supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Thank you.